Two guys, a computer, and a wild idea. What if crypto wasn't just an investment? What if it was a game? Not a metaphor, an actual game with betting, rewards, skins, emotions, and real money on the line. That's how stake.com was born. A crypto gambling empire that moves over $100 billion a year in wagers, built by two millennials gamers from Australia. Today, we're not just breaking down how they did it. We're extracting what you can learn from a model that turned online fun into a billion-dollar machine. Their names, Bijan Tariani and Ed Craven, both under 30 when they started Stake. Before Stake, they ran another gambling site, Prime Dice. It was simpler, transparent, provably fair, and already putting in millions. They weren't casino moguls, they were coders and gamers. Obsessed with frictionless design and user experience, and they realized something early. Crypto wasn't just a tech shift, it was a payment advantage. No banks, no KYC, instant deposits, global reach. And that unlocked something huge. A gambling platform without borders or banking restrictions. The game wasn't the platform was the game. Stake's model is simple, but don't confuse that with small. Users bet Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other tokens. Stake takes a house edge, usually 1 to 5% depending on the game. Sounds tiny, but when your players are betting $500 million plus a day, 1% is $5 million a day. It's not just about slot machines, it's about psychology. Fast dopamine, clean UI, animations that feel like Twitch and Vegas had a baby, and they mastered retention. VIP programs, instant withdrawals, crypto-backed bonuses. They gamified the addiction cycle and made it seamless. In 2022, Stake reported $2.6 billion in revenue, not valuation, revenue. Most casinos advertise on late night cable. Stake, they signed Drake. Yeah, that Drake, $1 million bets, live streams.
Overdue.
Oh,
Yes!
There we go.
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
It's not just marketing, it's cultural placement. They sponsor UFC fights, Premier League jerseys, Twitch streamers. They didn't just buy ads, they bought relevance. And when governments cracked down, they geofenced, rebranded, pivoted. Stake.us now runs a sweepstake-based model to stay compliant in the US. That's not luck, that's structure. Lesson, you don't scale chaos, you scale systems. You don't have to run a casino, you just have to understand what they did right. Number 1, obsess over the model, not the hype. They didn't chase Web3 trends. They built a cash flow engine, then layered Web3 on top. Number 2, build frictionless everything. Stake sign-up flow takes 15 seconds. Your funnel shouldn't take longer. Number 3, monetize behavior, not just attention. Users come for the game, but Stake gets paid on what they do, not what they see. Number 4, know your risk line. They're walking a legal tightrope. You don't need to, but you do need to know how to close the edge when your model plays. Obsession, systems, retention. That's how a couple of crypto nerds built a billion-dollar casino. I'm sorry, I don't cover trends. I break down how money actually moves. If you're building something real or want to learn how to play the game without selling your soul, subscribe. This channel is for builders, not dreamers. Let's move smart.